when it comes to broadband builds, whether it's urban, but especially in rural networks, every component, every aspect from inception to design to construction to operation has to be optimized. It has to be, or you're going to hit financial challenges. It doesn't matter how much grant money you have in place. The operating expenditures have to be optimized, or you're going to face a challenging environment. With the render tool, what it allows for, reporting, and then the material management, as we spoke to, and then on the record keeping, the loading up of the as-built, which Jeff spoke to. And, you hear Jeff Bertholdi talk about, the record keeping there, and it just sounds so obvious on the outside. Incredibly how limited that is in the market. We work with a number of cities, and some of the biggest challenges is just understanding where their legacy assets are, communication assets, and in what condition they are in. So to be able to take the data once it is deployed and then have that in easily accessible and accurate format, incredibly valuable. The other aspect, reporting, and you think about how this gets optimized. Real time, when the crews are out there, being able to photograph what was placed, when it was placed, and where it was placed. And at the Broadband Group, we do QA/QC, and we are then able to monitor and determine was something not hung correctly, and we can almost within a reasonable time frame have that gig corrected, and that network gets completed. Less workforce also saves on the materials because of the material management. We know the way the network is supposed to be designed. It's supposed to have 300 feet of conduit. If it gets loaded up, that 500 feet of conduit were deployed, it immediately gets flagged. And we can go monitor it and determine what had changed. Was the change appropriate? Was it not appropriate? And just either way, we now have a better management of our material. Incredibly valuable, the visibility that it provides. So when you ask about what the most important input is, it is every aspect of these builds. When done properly, these networks can be transformative, but the challenges must be appreciated and they must be addressed.